I got reached out by this company asking me to do a paid collabo on. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. Today's video is a sponsor paid collabo with a company called Lifewit, and I'm here to review and do some demo with you. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please consider subscribing, like the video, share the video, and do leave me a beautiful comment. So let's get into today's video. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is the bag which came through the post. Okay, so it's a lunch bag. It looks small, but it's massive when you open it. You see how big it is, and also it has this insulated section where you can put your cold and hot food, okay, and it stays the same. It doesn't contaminate your drink or your food. It is really durable, large capacity, and easy to carry. I'll be showing you a video of my unboxing and explaining how durable, how carryable, and how functional this lunch bag is. Just before I show you the full demo, I'm going to talk a little bit about this bag. I love the way it is. You can take it for picnic, family outing, hiking, even for barbecue. Now I'm going to be showing you the unboxing and the demo of this lunch bag. This came through the post and is a lunch bag from Lifewit. It is a small lunch bag with massive capacity. It is well insulated and have 3 different compartments: the front section, the outer pocket, and the insulated section. It comes with a padded handle and detachable shoulder strap. The bag can also be folded away. The capacity is enough to hold family essential for picnic, hiking, or barbecue. The link to this lunch bag I will be leaving in my description section, so you can check that out. There will also be a 20% discount on the 13th of July, starting from 7:45 a.m. to 7:45 p.m. Do not miss that 20% discount. Indeed, Lifewit lunch bag is easy to carry, enough space to hold essentials, and it is a functional lunch bag. See how I did my demo. So this is the end of this video. If you stayed up to this point, I do appreciate you and thank you so much. Please do not forget to like the video, share the video, and do leave me a beautiful comment. Have you come across this lunch bag? If you have, I would love to see your comment on the comment section. See you in my next one. Bye bye.